In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicates in Microsoft Excel with ease. This process can help you maintain accurate records, streamline your data management, and ensure that your spreadsheets are as efficient as possible. First off, we'll begin by identifying and highlighting the duplicates in your spreadsheet. This is a useful step that allows you to visually confirm where your duplicate entries lie before making any changes. Start by selecting all the data you want to examine. It's crucial to select the full range carefully, as this helps ensure accuracy when highlighting duplicates. Once you've selected your data, head over to the Home tab in the Excel toolbar. Here, look for the Conditional Formatting option, which is like a magic wand for your data presentation needs. Click on it, and you'll find a menu of different formatting choices. Navigate to Highlight Cell Rules, and as you reach the bottom, you'll see Duplicate Values. Clicking on this option will automatically identify and highlight duplicates in your dataset. By default, these duplicates might be highlighted in a light red fill with dark red text. This visual cue quickly shows that you have duplicates, for example, employees with the same entries, like employee IDs or names. After spotting them, the next goal is to decide how you want to remove these duplicates. You have the choice to either remove entire rows where all data matches or just specific columns, such as when only one common field, like an employee ID, needs cleaning. We'll explore both methods, giving you flexibility for your particular needs. To proceed with removing duplicates, once again, you start by selecting the same range of data. This time, though, you need to navigate to the Data tab. Here you'll find an option called Remove Duplicates. Clicking this will present several options to specify which duplicates you wish to remove. If you leave all boxes checked under the Remove Duplicates window, Excel will remove duplicate entries based on entire row matches. For instance, it would remove the second instance of an entry, keeping only the first appearance. However, should you wish to remove duplicates based only on specific criteria, like an employee ID, make sure you uncheck all other columns except for the employee ID. By doing so and executing the command, Excel will search through your list and remove any additional occurrences of that ID, leaving only the first instance intact. For example, if John Peterson's ID is repeated, only his first entry remains. And similarly for others like Jason Cruz with the same criteria. And there you have it. With the employee ID as your criteria, you've successfully removed all duplicates within that column. This straightforward process allows you to maintain high quality and clean data with just a few clicks.